Hey guys, it's Jessica. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by Kroger and their ingredients are fresher than fresh. I'm using their ingredients today to show you guys how to make pumpkin cheesecake bites. They're perfect for Halloween parties. We're gonna make pumpkin puree. I have a small pumpkin. We're gonna cut it in half. I'm just scoring it across. And then we can split it in half. Take out the stem and then we're gonna scoop out the insides. We're gonna scoop out the insides and save the seeds so we can roast those. I just put the pumpkins face down on the baking sheet with parchment paper and we're gonna put it in the oven and bake it at 400 for 30 to 40 minutes. I'm using Kroger brand Simple Truth Organic cream cheese. You're gonna need 24 ounces Kroger brand light brown sugar. Also need graham crackers for the crust. I have graham cracker crumbs here, white and brown sugar, and some melted unsalted butter. I'm adding a pinch of salt, ground nutmeg, cloves, and cinnamon, and mix. Our pumpkins are ready, and to try, you can just stab it and see. I have regular sized cupcake or muffin tins. We're gonna line them with our cupcake liners. We have our graham cracker crust. We're going to add about half a tablespoon to each one. Now we're going to press it down firmly like this, and then we're going to chill it in the fridge while we work on the pumpkin pie filling. Now that our pumpkins are out of the oven, we're gonna peel the outside. Should just come right off. I'm using a food processor and adding the pumpkin into the food processor. We're gonna make the puree. Ta-da, yum. In a bowl, we're adding our pumpkin puree, eggs, brown sugar. I have salt, cloves, allspice, cinnamon, and nutmeg. And mix. Using 24 ounces of cream cheese. I'm using the Simple Truth Organic brand. Half a cup of sugar and a teaspoon of vanilla. We're going to add the pumpkin puree mixture into the cream cheese mixture. And blend. Now I'm adding the cheesecake mixture right on top of our crust. We're baking these at 350 for 25 to 30 minutes. You want to cool these and then refrigerate them for 2 to 3 hours. Here they are after chilling for 2 hours. And now we're going to top it off with some whipped cream. And a sprinkle of cinnamon. And to make them nicer, I'm going to unpeel these. Lastly, I have these edible stars. And I'm just gonna add a few. Ta-da! Yummy! Let's try one. They smell so good. Yummy. I actually make pumpkin cheesecake every year for Thanksgiving. But these are perfect. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment what you want me to make next. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe and let me know if you guys make it. Bye.